Hi everyone, Letty here. Today I have some information I want to give you about the Not Too Shabby virtual retreat, give you a little reminder about the early bird special, and I also have a haul from Not Too Shabby. Welcome back everyone. So I have tons of fun stuff from Not Too Shabby that I want to mention in this video. I do have an affiliate link. I'll get that out of the way. I'll list it down in the description box below. Before I dive into my recent haul, I want to talk about the virtual retreat that's happening at Not Too Shabby. So this is a free retreat that's going to happen on September 14th and 15th. So it's later this fall. It is free. There will be 8 total instructors on this 2-day event. I am going to be one of the instructors on day 2, so which is Sunday the 15th. What I love about this is it's Saturday and Sunday, so lots of people will be able to join us. I'm going to be teaching a gift card holder class. That'll be what I'll be teaching on Sunday. There are going to be lots of giveaways. There's a $150 mega prize bundle Jamie has put together, and then there's also going to be some live winners that are picked for $15 gift vouchers. The instructors will pre-record the videos, but we will be live in the chat with you on the day of the release. And then there's also going to be some additional prizes if you make some items from this event and you share it. So one thing I will mention is there's an early bird special and it runs until the end of this month, May 31st. And so if you register, you can get a discount code for 15% off and get a free paper pad with your bundle if you purchase it. So the event is free, but there is an additional bundle that you can purchase. And I do have links that I'll link down in the description box below. Make sure you register first and then sign up for your bundle if you're interested. So here is the haul that I had purchased. Jamie throws in this sheet, so it gives you some QR codes that just kind of get you to some easy links for her promotions and things. And so here are the items that I had picked up. I picked up a ton of stuff. So I have a combination of Not Too Shabby items and Doodlebug items. So first off, let me show you about the freebies. So Jamie does have a freebie. She'll give you a free pack of enamel dots. This one's Colors of Spring. If you spend over $60 on your order, these are glitter enamel dots. They are really, really pretty in person. So that was a freebie. And then Jamie also has a promo. If you spend over $40 on Doodlebug items, you get a free Doodle Pop. And usually it coordinates with the latest collection. Now, she also has a rewards program. So every order that you place, you get points for every dollar you spend. I got these 4 items for free. This was a Doodle Pop Treat Yourself from a previous collection, like a birthday collection. And then I have this Doodle Pop. It's called Cake and Ice Cream. And then also got these shaped sprinkles. And this was called Travel Time. And so these are just some little like enamel shaped stickers. And so I also picked up a pack of this Patriotic Waves ephemera. This is an older collection. I'll list a still shot of what came in that collection. I believe it is still available because I was able to pick it up as one of my freebies. So I think it's available for purchase as well. So super fun. Now there are some recent patriotic kind of bundles and paper pads. There's 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, and then a whole bundle that you could pick up right now at the shop as well. So I did pick up some Not Too Shabby exclusives, which are the Not Too Shabby brand items. These are the 2 main collections that are in the box of the month. The box of the month was sold out this month before the month even began, but I thought these were perfect for the new Bridgerton release on Netflix, and so I knew I had to have them. I picked up both pads and the ephemera packs. This is Tea and Honey, 24 designs, 6x6 double-sided sheets. You get 24 total. Look how just stunning this is. So this one has more of a bee theme, but it also has just a lot of like tranquil, calming colors. I'm really digging all this like calm colors. They're just so relaxing, I think. And so again, it was bee theme. So Tea and Honey, really pretty. You've got some of those little Swiss dots in there. And then it does have a coordinating ephemera pack. This is just gorgeous, absolutely stunning, called Tea and Honey. So let me put a still shot of what comes in that ephemera pack. Really pretty images, just so pretty and calming. And so that was the first set. Then we have Serene Escape, 24 designs, 6x6 sheets. You got 24 total pages. Look how gorgeous this is. Like, I knew these 2 pads were going to be perfect for the Bridgerton release. I am super excited about it. I've already watched it a couple times. Guilty pleasure, right? But this is so pretty. So pretty. I knew I had to have this. I can't wait to craft with this. So Serene Escape. And then there's also a coordinating ephemera pack on this one as well. And it is so pretty. Probably one of the prettiest I've seen. So Serene Escape. Here's a still shot of what comes in that one. I mean, just utterly gorgeous. I don't know what it is about purples this season, but I am just totally drawn to them. Then I also picked up some back order things. So this was tulips for sale. I had been on a sort of a no buy, low buy the first quarter of this year. I was really trying to use up what I had in my stash. This came out. I absolutely adore tulips. So I knew I had to get that paper pad. And then I also got the coordinating ephemera pack. So Tulips for Sale. Here's what comes in it. It is absolutely stunning. And so again, this was like a previous month's paper pad club or something. And then this one was Butterflies and Blooms. The paper pad was sold out, but I was able to get the ephemera pack, and I thought, well, I'm still going to get the ephemera because it is just so gorgeous. And it really does coordinate with a lot of the same colors and pastels that I have, even in the current box of the month, paper pad. So this was Nurse Fuel. So I thought this one was going to be a great one to have in my stash too. Look at all these great sentiments. You get 9 sentiments there, and it is backed on a regular paper. So if you want to just prefer to use the paper, you can. There's ephemera pieces that you can fussy cut out. So you've got 4 sheets of each of those. You see that? Just really fun patterns. And so I think this is just going to be great to make some nurse cards as well. And so then I bought some Doodlebug items. So Doodlebug has a new release called Happy Healing. This was a freebie I had received from scrapbook.com on a recent order. And so when I received this paper, I thought, well, I need some embellishments. So I went over to Not Too Shabby and I picked up some of these. These are the mini icon stickers. You're going to get 3 sheets, and this does have silver foiling on this set. So you get 3 sheets, and again, they're little itty bitty cardstock stickers. And then we have the puffy icon stickers. And so these are just some of my favorites. Like these new puffy icons that they released about a year ago, super cute. Look at all these little cute ones. Then I picked up 2 sets of the ephemera packs. These are the odds and ends. This one comes with 184 pieces. These are like the shapes, the pictures. That's what this one is. But you get a ton of images in this little collection. And then we have the chit chat. And so these are like the words and phrases. I think you get like 86 of them in that one. And this does have silver foiling. Both of the sets have silver foil. And then look at this washi tape. Like this one with the little band-aids, I thought was just too cute. I had to get it. And then I also picked up some doilies. This one was a lilac color. Again, I don't know what it is about purple this year, and then I got bubblegum, which is a hot pink. I love hot pink. So those were the items I picked up from Not Too Shabby shop. Again, I'll have my website affiliate link that I'll link down in the description box below in case you want to make any kind of purchases. And make sure you sign up, register for the free virtual event. You will get a discount code emailed to you that you can then go use to get a discount, 15% discount on your bundle, and get a free paper pad by May 31st. As always, happy crafting.